When you're injured in a car accident, a slip and fall accident, premises liability, or any other type of personal injury case, you have the right to sue for compensation for your injuries and losses. That said, most personal injury claims result in a private settlement outside of court. Why would either party want to settle? Let's start with the insurance company. When you file your claim with the insurance company, they will perform their due diligence to determine whether or not their client, the responsible party, was at fault. If it looks like their client is responsible enough for a judge or jury to award damages, the insurance company knows they're on the hook. In that case, it's better to avoid a costly and public trial and settle the damages privately. In other words, if the insurance company knows they're liable for up to $1 million in damages, they might as well just pay the damages now. They could risk spending $100,000 or more in legal fees to fight the case, but when they lose the case, they're out $1.1 million instead of just $1 million. On the client side, a settlement is more valuable in terms of saving time versus money. After all, most personal injury attorneys are compensated through a portion of the final judgment or settlement, so the client isn't directly footing the bill. The true value of a settlement from the client's perspective is how much faster you receive compensation for your injuries and losses. Instead of enduring months or years of depositions, hearings, appeals, and other court-related processes, you can walk away with the money you need to pay your bills much sooner. You can file a personal injury claim with an insurance company and personally negotiate a settlement on your own, but it's always best to work with an experienced attorney. A good attorney should be able to negotiate for a better settlement, and they may be able to speed up the process. More importantly, when the insurance company pushes back, and they certainly will, an experienced attorney will make sure your rights are respected and you walk away with every penny you deserve. It is guaranteed that if you try to open a personal injury claim against an insurance company on your own, you will walk away with a portion of what you deserve, if anything at all. Car insurance companies have countless amounts of adjusters and resources at their disposal, not to mention that major insurance companies will handle several thousand personal injury claims a year. This is why you will want the best personal injury representation possible. It's the best way to avoid being taken advantage of, as well as your best change to receive compensation. A personal injury attorney will make sure that all facts are covered and be prepared for any threats to your claim from an adjuster. Call our personal injury team at 480-485-4482 to discuss your case today. Discuss